Hi, my name is ShiVa and you're watching the ShiVa Minute. This one's about code. Now, code, as you've learned in the previous episode, is a controller, an AI. And to edit AI, you have to go to the code workspace. Code is always stored in AI models, so you have to open one of the AI models that belong to your game. Let's take the ball, for example. Now the AI model editor has these four sections: variables, functions, states, and handlers. Variables are, well, either booleans, numbers, objects, strings, tables, hash tables, or XML. Functions work like you'd expect them to do. States are for things like idle or walking, or if you're familiar with the concept of the finite state machine, you'll know how to do this. And handlers. Now, handlers are the most interesting thing in ShiVa. There are several predefined handlers like onInit and onEnterFrame. Those are the most important handlers in ShiVa, as well as user handlers, which are only applicable in the main AI, and object handlers, which can be attached to any object. User handlers will not work on object AIs. You can also define custom handlers. OnInit is always called when the object enters the scene. OnEnterFrame, on the other hand, is executed every frame in the game. OnSensorCollision here is an example for an object AI specific handler. So this gets executed if anything hits the sensor that is attached to the ball. I'm not gonna cover code here. Video tutorials are just not really helpful with this kind of stuff.